Welcome to the Journey Management Plan training package. Click the next button at the bottom of the screen to begin. Journey planning involves the process of organizing and preparing for a journey to ensure it is carried out efficiently and safely. It includes determining the most suitable route, scheduling travel times, considering potential risks, and complying with regulatory requirements. This process aims to optimize travel by minimizing costs, reducing travel time, and ensuring the safe delivery of goods or passengers. This training provides an overview of the journey planning process and covers the rules and laws that underpin the system. Your responsibilities. The process. Hazards and control measures specific to road travel. The journey management plan documents. Securing loads. And post-journey checks. The primary objective of the journey management plan is to ensure the safety of workers while minimizing the impact on others and the environment. National and state governments, industry groups, and your employer work together to establish laws, codes of practice, rules, and regulations aimed at achieving the best outcomes for everyone. It is your responsibility to adhere to these rules and laws to protect yourself and those around you. Completing a journey management plan requires everyone's input. Click on the buttons below to learn about everyone's roles. Your responsibilities as a driver include carrying a current driving license, being fit to drive, obeying local road laws, rules, and speed limits, adjusting your driving technique to suit condition, making sure everyone is wearing a seatbelt while the vehicle is in motion, and ensure you are well rested to reduce the risk of fatigue. Risk management is a vital four-step process used to respond to changes and enhance safety during travel. Safety is a shared responsibility, and every step of the risk management process requires collaboration with everyone involved in the journey. By working together, we can ensure that risks are managed effectively, keeping each journey as safe and efficient as possible. Recognizing hazardous situations along a route and taking appropriate action to minimize risks is crucial for the safety of personnel and equipment. Here are some common hazardous situations and the actions that can be taken to mitigate them. Risk is the chance of harm when you or others are exposed to a hazard. Consider: how long are people exposed to the hazard? How often does exposure happen? How severe is the hazard? Use a risk matrix to rate each risk before and after applying control measures to see how effective they are. The last step of the risk management process is to review the effectiveness of the controls you have put in place and check if they are working as planned. If you find a control measure is not working as planned, you must change or replace the control. If you do need to change control measures, consult with your supervisor, get approval to make the changes, update the journey management plan, communicate the changes with everyone affected, and report and record all incidents. Understanding the different roles and responsibilities within your team is crucial for effective journey management. You are responsible for coordinating with everyone involved in the journey, as well as those who may be affected by it. If you notice any changes to the route or conditions, it's important to communicate these to your team promptly. Remember, if you have any questions at any stage of the journey, always consult with your supervisor. Working as a team offers many benefits and improved safety. Good planning and preparation achieve the best work outcomes. A journey management plan can only be as effective as the work planning process. Click on the steps below to learn more. You must complete a journey management plan before travel. This form is designed to ensure that all journey aspects, including the driver's readiness, vehicle condition, route planning, and safety measures, are reviewed and approved before the journey starts. It serves as a comprehensive tool for managing travel risks effectively. Before you travel, the journey management plan must be reviewed and signed off by a supervisor. The supervisor is responsible for continuously improving operational procedures for future plans, checking documentation for compliance with WHS, OHS, and other regulations, ensuring accuracy in all journey records, managing loading and unloading requirements, applying cost-effective reverse logistics, accounting for different vehicle types and specialized needs. Vehicle cargo can be affected by forces from deceleration, acceleration, and rough terrain. Therefore, all cargo must be properly restrained. On open vehicles, use loading boards, anchor points, and tie rails. For closed vehicles, use approved cargo barrier or restraint. Follow these guidelines when securing loads, Ensure tie-down points are sufficient for the weight and type of load. Pad edges to prevent chafing and cutting of straps or ropes. Use wooden blocks over sensitive cargo. Avoid over-tensioning restraints to prevent damage. Proper loading of vehicles is crucial for safety, preventing injury, and avoiding damage to the cargo and equipment. Never exceed the manufacturer's recommended load capacity. Follow these key points. Adhere to weight limits. Organize cargo. Stabilize and secure clearances and overhang. This helps maintain vehicle stability, safety, and compliance with road regulations. After completing a journey, you should check in, complete documentation, conduct vehicle inspection, unload cargo safely, report issues, review and feedback, and rest and recover. Here is an overall summary for a safe journey. Here is a short quiz to test your understanding of this module. The driver is accountable if any other occupants in the vehicle are not wearing a seatbelt. Who is legally responsible for the journey management plan? What should you do if road conditions change unexpectedly during a journey? How can you minimize the risk of driver fatigue during a long journey? What is the main benefit of using a risk matrix in journey planning? Which of the following is a key consideration when loading a vehicle for a journey? Reviewing the journey after completion is unnecessary if no incidents occurred.